Alright everybody, so got my folks out on the boat here. I probably only made it about a mile out of the harbor and came across some really nice gray whales here. There was actually a pod of three that were kind of split up and another pod of two, and they varied from separating themselves and then coming together there. And it was just a very nice show here. We followed them all the way from pretty much the harbor entrance all the way down to a little bit below Seal Rocks, almost 4 miles, 4.5 miles. It was a tremendous show, and they got to really like Discovery a lot and came over and cruised by the boat, and the folks had a great time here. So I hope you guys enjoy this wonderful little gray whale sequence here, and hope to see you guys soon. Thanks a lot.
Hey, Roger, we're formed up, ready for your comments.